What are you doing, Parker?
Helping Nanny.
You watering the plants? Carefully he doesn't spray it in the window.
I know.
You watering the plants? No, I don't think so. Stop, man! He's chasing me. Stop, man.
Go get him! I need to put it on the really squirty one. Oh, that's funny.
Parker, you gonna wash my hands for me?
No, not on the chairs.
No.
Wait, I'm gonna wash my hands. Ready? I'm gonna wash those. I'm gonna wash my. Oh, no, not me. Just the hands. Just the hands, buddy. Don't you want to wash my hands? There. Squeeze that down there. I'm just gonna wash my hands. Ready? Go ahead. Okay, that's enough. Oops.
Oh.
What happened?
Fourth
Oops.
time I'm gonna change them
Oh
today.
no.
Whatever.
You getting dirty?
I don't care. I'm just gonna run out of clothes. I only brought enough for the weekend.
Okay.
He's gonna be on like his last outfit.
Well, we'll have to wash our
That's
clothes.
really great.
No
Now if
big
you
deal.
put that on the computer.
Let's put your hands. Put your hands out. Put your hands out. Go ahead. Yeah. Dirty. Go ahead. I want to hit it. I want to hit him.